How to verify Discord account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord. After you have tried logging in, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Verify by Email. After you have done that, code will be sent to your email. Open your email and you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Verify Email. After that, it will lead you to page something like this. After it's shown IP address authorized, you can open Discord and you will be logged into your account. As you can see, I have been logged in to my account. This is how to verify Discord account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.